Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment in Norfolk, Virginia. What we have today is the non-CDL 26,000 pound capacity Isuzu FTR. This truck is equipped with a 28-foot Morgan van body that is 103 inches tall and 102 inches wide. The interior of the body is fitted with 3/8 plywood at the top and bottom, 24 inches. Then 3 rows of wood slats to give you multiple tie-down points, along with 2 rows of E-track mounted on the sides for additional tie-down points. The lift gate on this truck is a 3,300 pound capacity Honda lift gate that has cart stops that pop up or retract. This gate is 60 inches deep and 85 inches wide to give you plenty of operating room. The side door on the curb side of the body is 48 inches wide to give you additional access, along with a pull-out step system. The truck is equipped with the Cummins ISB6.7L 260 horsepower diesel engine developing 660 foot-pounds of torque with an Allison automatic transmission. The rear axle is 21,000 pounds capacity. The front axle is 12,000 pounds capacity. The wheelbase is 236 inches, giving you a 62-foot turning diameter. The cab is a 3-person cab that has power windows, power door locks, heated mirrors, power mirrors, fire extinguisher, and backup alarm already installed. This truck is in stock in Norfolk, Virginia for immediate delivery. Give us a call.